Critical library mismatch involving the Esentprf Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. Before we start the Esentprf Library Manual Guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Esentprf Library, the Extensible Storage Engine (ESENT) performance provider. This module facilitates the localized collection of performance counters and throughput metrics for the core Windows database engine. It allows system administrators and performance monitors to query the localized health of the system's indexing and metadata databases. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files, such as Esentprf Library DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Esentprf library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Esentprf Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below related to managing Esentprf library references. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Esentprf library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.